Hey, let me tell you a story that might completely shift the way you think about relationships. Most guys believe that winning a woman's heart is all about charm, confidence, or having a six-pack. But let's be honest, that barely scratches the surface. Picture this. A buddy of mine, let's call him Jake, was dating this amazing girl. Everything was going great. Until suddenly, she lost interest. Just like that. No big fight, no drama, just cold distance. Jake was confused. He did everything right. Took her on dates, remembered her birthday, even got her dog a present. And yet, she slowly slipped away. So he came to me for answers. And I told him something that changed the game completely. Women don't stay because of what you do for them. They stay because of how you make them feel, deep inside. That's when I introduced him to a concept I explain in depth in my book, How to Get Any Woman You Want, Emotional Anchors. Now at first, Jake looked at me like I was speaking another language. But once I broke it down, it clicked. See, emotional anchors are powerful. They're like mental and emotional hooks, moments, feelings, and memories that stay stuck in her mind. Even if she tries to forget you, she can't. Once you learn how to anchor emotions to specific things, like a song, a place, or even a scent, you become unforgettable. Let me show you what I mean. Jake tried it on his next date. Instead of surface-level small talk, he shared a story from his life. He talked about getting lost in a foreign country. He painted the fear, the rush, and the relief so vividly that she felt like she was there with him. Then, he tied that story to a specific song that had been playing during that moment. He casually mentioned how it still gives him chills. Guess what? Now, every time she hears that song, she thinks of Jake. And not just Jake the guy, Jake the feeling. That's what emotional anchoring does. It wasn't about the story itself. It was about the emotions she experienced because of that story. That's what stuck in her mind. Jake went from being just another nice guy to the one she couldn't stop thinking about. All because he connected with her on a deep emotional level. And yes, you can do this too. I break it all down step by step in How to Get Any Woman You Want. It's not about manipulation or mind games. It's about creating real emotional depth, connection that lingers long after the date ends. Here's the thing. Most guys miss. Anchoring emotions isn't just about happy feelings. It can be tied to vulnerability, tension, fear, or comfort. When you become the person she turns to during intense moments, good or bad, you lock yourself into her emotional world. But I'll be honest, it's powerful stuff. And if you misuse it, it can backfire. That's why I dedicate an entire chapter in the book to how to use emotional anchors ethically and effectively. Because once you get it right, you won't just be another guy she dated. You'll be the one she can't forget. It's not about being the richest, funniest, or most attractive guy in the room. It's about learning how to connect to her emotions on a level most men don't even know exists. So if you're ready to level up your dating life and truly understand what makes women stay, it's time to get your hands on How to Get Any Woman You Want. This book isn't theory. It's practical. It's field-tested. And it's designed to help you become unforgettable to the women you desire. The question is, are you ready for that kind of power? Your journey starts here.